Okay, so when you come to the bullet graph and spark line, okay, so here we have this whether sales is under budget or not legend. It's kind of removed away from where it is used. It's used here. It's kind of here. It's very difficult to connect the two. It would be better that if this legend is right below the bullet graph, so then you will know immediately that blue is sales under budget and gray is not. Okay, so what we're going to do is to move that right below underneath that. Okay, and we need to do some cleaning up. Okay, this is not going to work as is, but we will do that in just a second. Okay, so move it there. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to change the titles. So let's say, let's increase the size. So let's go ahead and change the chart titles. So bullet graph, so double click on the chart title. Bullet graph, we'll call it sales versus budget by product. Spark line, just say sales trend. Okay. And this is changed by percentage, so we have to put that in the bottom like what we did previously. Okay, so we'll do that. The cross tab is summary by product type. So this is summary by product type. So it has sales and profit and all that kind of stuff. Okay. The scatter plot is going to be profit. It's not sales, it's profit. I have a typo there. Profit versus marketing expense. Okay. So now let's reduce the size here. So. Okay. So let's make the sizes the same. Okay. So now the size is same here at the top. Now we need to make sure that the products are sorted in the same order in these two. Okay. So here is check the spark line and bullet. Okay. And they all match. So that's good. So what we're going to do now is to remove all of this. Alright. Okay. So now we have a problem with this taking up too much space. So what we can do is edit title, and we'll get rid of this title. Okay. And now here right click and change the legend to appear in a row. Okay. A single row, so that will be side by side like that, right? So now reduce the, increase that. Okay. So now we need to tell what this is. What is this true or false? What is it false for? Right? And that is whether the sales is under budget, true or false. That's what that's telling us, right? So bring in a text object, put it not there, right there. Okay. And then say sales under budget question mark. All right. We can adjust that. Right. Oh. Okay, so before that, let's clean up some. So here we're going to get rid of the x-axis. Okay, and there is one more decision that we have to make, and that is, in order to align these two, we need to get rid of these. But if we get rid of these, then we are not going to have any way of telling what the values are for sales here. So what we could do is go to bullet graph, get rid of this. Okay, it's gone, right? And then go to label, right? And then if you select highlighted, then when you highlight, the label will show. Okay. If you don't highlight, the label won't show. Okay. So that's one way of preserving space and making alignments. So now if you select, then that label will show. Okay. Next, we're going to make sure that all of them are visible in full instead of having to scroll. So having to scroll is not a good idea. So you need to go to the down arrow, fit entire view. Okay. Make sure that all of them are like that. Entire view. Okay, so that's good. Now this one we are having to scroll. So fit entire view. Same here. Fit entire view. Okay. All right. So now we can